From RF-SMART, this is Take 5 with Taking Inventory, where in 5 minutes or less, we share the supply chain updates you need to know. Now your host, Abby Bennett.
Welcome back to Take 5 with Taking Inventory. I am your host, Abby Bennett, and today I am joined by Matt Thomas, podcast regular and NetSuite Strategic Account Executive here at RF-SMART, and Ryan Ferguson, Distribution Center Vice President at Smoky Mountain Knife Works and RF-SMART customer since 2021. Today, we are highlighting their use of a standout feature of RF-SMART Shipping, order consolidation. So Matt, start us off. Can you share a little bit about this use case and what order consolidation offers to customers?
So think of it as you're ordering multiple items from a vendor, and those fulfillment records will create multiple boxes. So now we have the ability to, on our shipping platform, consolidate those orders and have one box. So what's the big deal? Well, think about now one box instead of 4 that I'm paying the fuel that the shipping companies add in the surcharge. And not only is that, is it's combining orders into one box, so it's a lot faster. Instead of, oh, now I've got 5 boxes here, I have 1, and those orders are only on one trail line going to your house or your business. So huge value add for Smoky Mountain Knife Works and for our early adopters and our future customers.
And that makes total sense. Your store, which is the largest knife storefront in the world for our listeners, has so many accessories that may be added on even after an order is purchased. So it would be ideal to combine those orders together. Ryan, how is this impacting your business?
In our real life scenario, we have 2 different locations that we pick from. So you have to have a different inventory fulfillment record for each location. This allows those to combine into one. So you're talking 30,000 a year, different IF records that are now getting combined that we don't manually have to pick and ship out one of them manually or have one of them be fulfilled afterwards. Whenever you run it through, it consolidates them into one shipment, into one package, into one button click, and it puts the tracking number back to both IF records and ships out both of them. So it changes the status on both of them at the same time. It's wonderful. It saves me a lot of time in a day. And almost everything you touch now to ship anywhere is 10 to 12 bucks. So if you're talking 30,000 shipments, it adds up to a little bit of money.
Absolutely. And everything that you guys are doing is just to increase that efficiency and get orders out the door. And it leads to a more positive customer experience too. Matt, you were able to see this firsthand.
It's funny, one of the business analysts and I went on site and we actually tested this when we bought 2 knives and we sent them to our headquarters here. So it was neat to go up and show them and then actually test it. And it was here the next day, in one box.
That's what we like to hear. It's cool to be able to put our products to the test and see the results firsthand. Thank you both so much for taking the time to share about this feature. For those of you listening who liked what they heard and are interested in seeing how this could save them time and money in their fulfillment process, please email us at info@rfsmart.com. We'd be happy to offer you some more information. I'll leave some links down below you can reference. I will also add a link to the Smoky Mountain Knife Works website, as well as their case study and previous podcast episodes, so you can check them out and hear more about their RF-SMART experience. As always, please subscribe wherever you get your podcasts, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google, or at our website at rfsmart.com/podcast. And we hope you join us on the next one. Thanks.